Hey guys, my name is Sagar Mantry and today's new recipe is dairy-free strawberry ice cream. So first, in a NutriBlend container, take walnuts and almonds and make fine pieces of it. You can do it by a knife also. I am using a NutriBlend here by Wonder Chef. Once it is done, keep it aside and take another large container of NutriBlend and add 1 cup oats in it, few raisins for sweetness, flax seeds for omega 3. Then we use coconut milk powder for the thickness in the ice cream. And then you add overnight frozen strawberries. You can freeze them in your freezer using a plastic container. Then add water to it. Make sure you don't add too much, otherwise the ice cream will become like a milkshake. And then you NutriBlend it. Now you can add the toppings of the chopped almonds and walnuts for taste, and here is your dairy-free frozen strawberry ice cream.